Okay, so we're going to pick it up here with, we're going to finish number 1 right here. So we're going to cross multiply, right? So we got 100 times x, that's 100x. And then 600 times 93. So we're going to go to our calculator and do 600 times 93. And so that's going to give us 55,800. So we got 55,800. So then we'll divide by 100. All right, so we'll take that number and divide by 100. And so that's going to give us 558. All right, so x would be 558. So 558 is 93% of 600. So then on number 2, the percent goes right up here. We're doing 6 is of what amount? So we don't know the of. All right, so we're going to cross multiply again. 15 times x is 15x. And then 6 times 100 is 600. So then we'll divide by 15. So x will equal 600 divided by 15. 600 divided by 15. That is 40. So 6 is 15% of 40. Okay? All right, so then on number 3, so we look at that one. What percent of 158 is 79? So this time we don't know the percent. It says what percent, so we don't know that. So remember, it's is over of. So is over of, like that. So now we're going to cross multiply. So we have 158p is equal to 79 times 100. That is 7,900. So we'll divide by 158. So 7,900 divided by 158. 7,900 divided by 158. That is exactly 50. So the percent is 50. 50%. Okay? So number 4, what is 78% of 234? All right. So we have a percent. So we're going to put that in. We have the percent. It's is. We don't know is, but we know the of. So we're going to cross multiply 100x. Then 234 times 78. So 234 times 78. That's 18,252. 18,252. Let me just make sure. Yep. 18,252. Then we'll divide by 100. So x will equal, all right, so let's go over here and say divided by 100, 182.52. All right, 182.52. All right, so then let's go to number 5. 48 is 80% of what number? So here's your percent is right there, 80%. And it's is over of. We don't know the of. So we're going to cross multiply. So that's 80x is equal to, multiplying here, 4,800. So we'll divide by 80. And x will equal 4,800 divided by 80. That is 60. That's exactly 60. So 48 is 80% of 60. 60. All right, on number 6, it says what percent. So that means we have a what percent, and it's is over of. So the is 24.5, and the of is 98. All right, so we cross multiply. That's going to give me 98p is equal to, and so we'll multiply right there. And so 24.5 times 100. 0.5 times 100, and that is 2450. So that is 22,450. So then we'll divide by 98. Divide by 98. So the percent is going to be 2450 divided by 98, 2450 divided by 98. That is exactly 25. Okay, 25%, since we're looking for the percent. Okay. Number 7, Michelle has $15 in her pocket. If this is 5% of her monthly allowance, what is her monthly allowance? All right, so the total she has is 15, right? So you remember the part where we did, you could do the part over the total is equal to the percent over 100. That's what we're going to use right here. So she has total of $15 in her pocket. This is 5% of her monthly allowance. What is her monthly allowance? So is the $15 in her pocket a part or the total? Well, it's only a part of her total allowance, right? So $15 is the part. We don't know the total, right? That's what we're trying to figure out. What is her total monthly allowance? The percent, though, is 5%. All right, so 15 is the part. The total allowance is the x. So let's cross multiply. So 5 times x is 5x. And 15 times 100 is 1,500. Like that. So then we're going to divide by 5. All right, so her total allowance is 1,500 divided by 5. That is 300. Would you like that kind of allowance? That'd be great. Okay. Number 8, of the 225 guests invited to Julie's wedding, 185 attended. What percent of that? Again, we're going to use that. 185 is only part of them. 225 was the total number invited. And they're saying what percent, right? We don't know the percent. What percent? Right, so we're going to cross multiply. That's going to be 225p. And multiplying here, that is 18,500. Okay, and then we're going to divide by the 225. So that's going to give us that amount is 18,500. 18,500 divided by 225. All right, let me check my numbers. What percent, right? So we did 185, 225, 225, 18,500. Okay, and so we're going to round that. Let's round that to 82%. 82%. Okay. Jim donates 10% of his paycheck every month to a local animal rescue. His paycheck this month was $893. How much money did he donate? How much money did he donate? Okay, so they give us the percent. All right, and his paycheck this month, so that's the total, right? $893 was his total paycheck. How much did he donate? What part did he donate? All right, so we're going to cross multiply. So we'll have 100x. Then 893 times 10 is going to be 8,930. So then we'll divide by 100. So when you divide by 100, that's going to be $89.30. All right. All right, good job. We're going to stop the video right there.